Behind every family, every generation, every civilization, there is a woman. But a woman's journey is not a single story. It is a series of phases, each demanding strength, resilience, and care. Sometimes we celebrate the beauty, sometimes we forget the silent battles. Today, we celebrate the woman who rises in every phase of life. Life begins with a little girl. She dreams without limits. One day, she wants to be a scientist, the next day, an artist. The world is still wide open, and then slowly, something changes. School begins to teach more than just subjects. Marks become comparisons, friends become competition, and sometimes a girl begins to wonder if she is enough. But a girl raised with encouragement instead of comparison grows into a woman who trusts her own voice, and that voice begins to shape the young woman she is becoming. Adolescence arrives quietly. A girl begins to grow into herself. She discovers music she loves, dreams she wants to chase, and ideas she wants to share. This phase carries a strange magic, the first awareness of identity. But along with discovery comes doubt. The world begins to measure her, how she looks or how she behaves. But a young woman, guided with understanding, slowly transforms those doubts into confidence, and confidence becomes the courage she carries into the world. She steps into adulthood, armed with dreams, education, and determination. She begins building a life of her own. Careers start, relationships deepen, possibilities expand. This is the phase of expansion, but expansion often comes with pressure. The pressure to prove herself, to succeed, to balance expectations from every direction. Sometimes it costs her sense of self, but when a woman does that, her well-being is not a luxury but necessary. She begins to thrive, not just survive. And for many women, life soon unfolds is its most powerful transformation. Motherhood arrives like a quiet miracle. Within her, a new heartbeat begins. Suddenly, she is no longer living only for herself. She is nurturing another life. The tenderness of motherhood is indescribable, but behind the tenderness are sleepless nights, silent worries, and immense responsibility. This is often the phase where she begins to place herself behind everyone else. She is no longer her first priority. When a mother is supported physically, emotionally, and mentally during a phase where she feels most vulnerable, she discovers a strength she never knew she had. And as the years pass, the strength slowly becomes wisdom. The woman of wisdom. Time softens her pace but deepens her presence. She has lived many roles now: daughter, student, professional, mother. By now, she has given so much of herself, and yet, like salt in our dishes, essential but unnoticed, she is rarely appreciated. She slowly becomes someone who no longer thinks of herself first. She is selfless, taking care of children who sometimes assumes she knows nothing. Life shifts from waking up at 8 a.m. to waking up at 5 a.m., getting children ready, preparing lunch boxes for the family, getting ready for work, and yet everyone else comes before her. Often, no one truly takes care of her, not her husband, not her children. Ironically, not even she does. Her voice carries the weight of responsibilities. Her silence carries understanding. But a woman who learns to prioritize her health, physical, mental, and emotional, realizes something powerful. Her value never fades. Her wisdom knows that no prince in shining armor is coming to save her. It is time for her to stand up for herself, to raise her voice for her own well-being, to pick up the dumbbells waiting quietly in the corner, and to cook that healthiest, most protein-rich meal. This time, not just for her children, but for herself, because she has entered the phase of wisdom that guides generations. To the bravest woman everywhere, this is the moment to gently shift your focus back to yourself, because we are the creators of civilizations, the nurturers of generations, and quiet strength behind every family. And nothing truly stands before the power of woman who cares for herself. This Women's Day, prioritize self-care. Care for your body, care for your mind, care for the woman within you, because When a woman becomes stronger, generations become stronger. And as creators of civilization, it becomes our responsibility to create generations mindfully, even before the life begins. Ayurveda spoke about this wisdom thousands of years ago. It's called Garbhasanskara, the sacred science of nurturing life even before birth. A quiet path towards conscious pregnancy, and now it is time to bring that wisdom back. Garbhaveda is on the way. Dr. Inaya signing off. Stay tuned. Happy Women's Day, Ayu Seekers.